The previous modules gave you every Lego brick. The capstone glues them into a production launch that an auditor or VC can replay line by line. We're going to compile the entire workspace, publish it incrementally across LocalNet, DevNet, TestNet, and MainNet, and leave behind an artifact bundle containing bytecode, package IDs, upgrade cap IDs, DAO cap addresses, and gas cost benchmarks. One bash script plus a CI pipeline will orchestrate build, test, prove, publish, and notify Slack. A Grafana dashboard and PagerDuty rotation close the loop. When you finish, a junior engineer or even an automated bot can roll out V1.40 without paging the original founders at 3 a.m. That is true DevOps maturity in Web 3. Keep everything version controlled. Contracts houses 7 move packages. Each has its own moved YAML, but shares one workspace lock file for deterministic builds. Scripts wasibard stores environment files. Every publish reads the same package name, CLI-bin, gas budget, etc. Infra Heart Terraform spins a dedicated full node plus an indexer and S3 snapshot bucket. Ansible locks down firewalls and installs Prometheus exporters. The CI/folder carries your GitHub workflow and a templated release note skeleton that CI fills with package IDs and gas numbers. Grafana JSON goes into dashboard /. Anyone cloning the repo can stand up a near-identical staging environment with one Terraform applied, then /scripts/deploy.shdevnet. Every stage produces a verifiable output. The build stage fails fast on tests, proofs, or coverage regressions. Artifact pack compresses bytecode into pkg.b64, hashes every file, and signs the manifest with the maintainer's PGP key. Deploy.shdevnet imports the devnet hotkey, runs a dry run to print gas, then publishes and saves the resulting JSON. A Slackbot posts V1.30 deployed to DevNet, package 0x123, upgrade cap 0x456. Ansible then SSHs to your managed full node, drops the new package ID into .env, reloads indexer containers so dashboards point at the correct on-chain tables. Grafana's HTTP API patches UID variables so charts instantly jump to the new package. The script expects an environment file per network, publisher address, private key path, RPC URL, gas budget. We call proof first because there's no world where we publish code that fails specs. We capture the base 64 bytecode once, publish once. CLI returns JSON listing object changes. We parse for the package ID and upgrade cap. Those IDs land in artifact/devnet.env, which the front end and indexer consume. Finally, we hit a Slack webhook. For mainnet, the script stops after double dash to publish tx.json and waits for a human to sign offline. Same skeleton, just an if branch. Shipping isn't done until Power decentralizes. The day after publish, you submit proposal 0. Transfer critical caps to DAO. On testnet, you practice DAO address 0, x DAO, upgrade cap 0, x456, dash transfer succeeds, marketplace still works. On mainnet, you copy the same BCS payload. Time lock counts down. If Twitter roars in protest, you cancel. DevOps still needs to prune listings nightly, so we create a low-privilege DevOps cap that only calls prune expired. It lives in a hot wallet with daily rotation keys. Breach risk is minimal. Metrics trump hope. We scrape the validators for consensus and latency, index events for economic KPIs, and push them into Prometheus. Grafana displays 4 tabs. Performance shows block finality, RPC latency. Economy charts points minted on burned. DAO lists open proposals. Security shows bridge vault, signer set hash, upgrade cap owner. Alerts route to context appropriate channels. Governance to community mods, security to PagerDuty. Performance to DevOps. Now you can sleep, or at least snooze Slack.